So the first mod is gonna be these covers over here for the V-brace. And as you can see, I chose this color blue because the calipers on this car are Brembo blue. And so these are very easy to install. Basically, we're just gonna go ahead and bring them in here. Then I'm gonna push them in. There we go. As you can see, the first one slid in perfectly. Now the second one. There we go. Second one slid in also. Perfect. Let me just adjust them from here. All right. I mean, if that doesn't look, I don't know what does. All right, moving on to the next mod, and that's gonna be the front grills. This is what the grill looks like. Let me bring it for a closer look. I will be putting the links in the description for all the mods that I'm gonna list in these videos. And so these should be just plug and play. So all we gotta do is align the tabs. There we go. Pretty sure, yep. Come on, click. Okay. Look at this. All right. First one in, moving on to the second one. And right here, they came packaged pretty nice, as you saw earlier. And again, these installs are pretty self-explanatory or pretty easy to remove. Now, these to remove them, as you can see, there's like these tabs on the side. So your best option is like to use a pick or a plastic clip remover and kind of get from the bottom, push them down and like kind of pull on the grill slowly and kind of follow it from there. All right, so next one here. Oh my God, the fitment is amazing. What do you guys think about these Amazon kitchen grills? I'm not trying to be cheap. I'm honestly focusing more on the performance mods with these cars. I just kind of couldn't leave it stock, at least like, you know, the way it looks. So moving on to the next mod. All right, so the next step in our video is going to be the mirror caps. And I got glossy black M4 GTS style or M style caps. So to do this, basically you need a clip remover and you need to kind of just get in there. Once it starts coming off, there we go. There we go. Come up a little bit. Make sure you use a plastic clip remover so that way you don't scratch the housing. Come on now. Keep sliding. There we go. Okay, so it's only on the side, it's still attached. Perfect. All right, that's what the mirror cap has, those clips, these clips, and these clips, and all you gotta do, honestly, there is no proper way of removing this besides what I just did. You just gotta get a plastic clip remover around the edges and start pushing until one of them comes off, and then you take it onward from that side out. Okay, so I got the new ones right here. Let me see, this is the passenger or the driver. Oh, I think it's right on the money. This is the driver side mirror cap. As you can see, I chose the matte black and gloss black, I mean. And now it's just a matter of aligning that. And I think that's it actually. Yeah. Yep. Oh, here we go. It just clicked. All right, so just make sure, kinda. All right. Clean towel, I promise. It doesn't look clean, but it is clean, I promise you. Just took this out to the washer yesterday. All right, what do you guys think about that? Let me show you. That looks, oh my God, that looks amazing. All right, moving to the next one.